You know that the tiger is our national animal. But did you know that there are 53 tiger reserves in India? Kalakadu Mundandurai in Tamil Nadu to Rajaji Tiger Reserve in Uttarakhand. Cutting across the length and breadth of India, we have tiger reserves in 18 of our 28 states. A third of India's forest is set aside as tiger reserves. Awesome! But why tiger reserves? Let's see. While all species are equally important, certain species are significant from a conservation standpoint. They are called indicator species. Just as we have indicators like blood pressure, heartbeat, blood sugar levels to diagnose our health, these species indicate the health of the ecosystem by their presence or absence or a sudden change in their numbers. The tiger is an indicator species. The entire forest should be in its perfect condition to host a tiger. Now we will look at it from the tiger's point of view. Tigers can eat up to 20 kilograms of meat in a single sitting. They need at least one medium-sized prey animal like a deer every week, that is about 50 in a year. These prey animals need large tracts of grazing land, sheltering trees, herbs, shrubs, and water sources. They also need intermediate predator species to keep the smaller plant eaters and rodents in check. The plants need seed dispersers to ensure that they spread and grow in number. Birds and other animals help spread about half of the seeds in India. Plants also need microorganisms and fungi that can help them obtain nutrients such as phosphorus and nitrogen, defend them from other microorganisms that can make them sick, and release the mineral nutrients trapped in dead and decaying organic matter. Scavengers play an important role in the environment. They keep an ecosystem free of the bodies of dead animals or carrion. Insects create the biological foundation for all environments. They cycle nutrients, pollinate plants, disperse seeds, maintain soil structure and fertility, control population of other organisms, and provide a major food source for other living beings. This variety of living species in an environment, including plants, animals, bacteria, and fungi, is known as biodiversity. Each of these organisms work together in a rhythm to maintain balance and support life. A thriving biodiversity is essential for tigers to thrive. So, the presence of tiger is an important indicator to the forest's health. Tigers, being top predators, prey on deer and such animals and prevent overgrazing. They also prey upon smaller predators and prevent a wipeout of prey animals. There are 6 subspecies of tigers in the world. Apart from India, tigers can be seen in the wild in Bangladesh, Vietnam, Cambodia, Bhutan, Thailand, Indonesia, Laos, China, Malaysia, Russia, Nepal, and Myanmar. They are endangered in most places, and in some countries they are critically endangered. Tiger is also an umbrella species. By conserving tigers, we can conserve the entire ecosystem. India now has about 70% of the global tiger population. Therefore, we can say that protecting tigers is a matter of pride and responsibility to India. Now let us look at it from the human point of view. Our economy depends on agriculture, which mostly depends on irrigation from rivers, coming from the forests in the hills. Forests absorb rainwater like a sponge and release it to the rivers over a sustained period. Without forests, we will have flooding during the monsoon and drought during the rest of the year. Only a healthy forest can support a perennial river. Without a wide range of animals, plants, and microorganisms, we cannot have the healthy forest that we can rely upon to provide us with the air we breathe, water we drink, and the food we eat. And it is important for us to protect forests as they absorb and store carbon dioxide and help mitigate climate change. So, our economy and future depend on our ecology. By establishing tiger reserves, we conserve biodiversity to protect the tiger, and by doing this, we are ensuring our survival. Now you know why we need tiger reserves. Love the similarities, respect the differences, learn from nature, the eternal teacher.